If you have lower back pain and are looking for a great exercise to strengthen your lower back and your core, in this video I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite exercises to help you with just that. If you don't know who I am, my name is Shrey Vazir. I'm an advanced physiotherapist specializing in lower back pain here in Toronto, Canada. And today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite exercises to help build a stronger core and low back, which is perfect for you if you have stubborn low back pain that just does not seem to go away, or if you have pain with things like bending forward, twisting, lifting, carrying. This specific exercise has so many benefits that I wanted to make a separate video on it. You'll notice in my channel I show lots of different stretches and exercises. However, this one is special and I'll take you through it step by step. The exercise I'm going to show you today is called the bird dog, and there are 3 good reasons why I believe everyone should be doing it, especially if you have low back pain. Now, the reason number 1 why I love this exercise is because it is so simple, beginner friendly, that many people can pick it up without much experience. 2, it doesn't strain the muscles of your neck like many common core strengthening exercises do, like the crunch or the plank, which tends to aggravate people's neck or their upper backs. This is perfect, very gentle. And number 3, it's a very versatile exercise and you can really scale it, you can change it and modify it based on your capacity and your pain levels. So you can make it easier or harder very easily, and I'm going to show you variations of this exercise today so you can do it effectively. Let's get started. So I'm going to show you 3 variations of the bird dog. Let's get started in a comfortable 4-point position like I am. Your hands are right below your shoulders, your knees are right below your hips. You're in a comfortable position called tabletop or 4-point position. From here, your ankles can be relaxed just like this, or you can keep your toes up, whatever is right for you. From here, variation number 1, which is the easiest one, is to lift your arm up just like this, in line with your back. What you're doing with your head is you're looking straight down or a little bit ahead of you, but what you don't want to do is strain your neck and try to look up. So demonstrating that again with the arm, lifting the arm up just like this, back down, just like this. While I'm doing this, I'm remembering to breathe and also keep my core and my low back kind of tight, not overpowered tight, but just a little bit of tension in there while I'm doing it. And variation 1 kind of looks like this, just alternating between the 2 arms. To make that one harder, you can always hold for longer on each side, right? Variation number 2 involves lifting the legs only. Same position. From here, you want to kick your leg out, just like this. So it's in line with your lower back and back down. Trying not to roll over or overextend, arching the back or overextending the neck. Remembering to just keep it neutral as best you can. So my back is here and my leg is kind of matching that. So this variation involves just lifting your leg up and back down, just like so. And as usual, keep breathing. I can already feel that working in my glutes and my back and my core. And you would repeat that 10 times as a starting point. Variation 3 is arms and legs together, and this one is of course the hardest one, but I'm going to take you through how you can do it easier for yourself. Essentially, you would start with the leg first, get into a comfortable balanced position, and then from here you lift your opposite arm. So repeating that again, if I'm lifting my left leg, I am lifting my right arm into the air. And as you can see, arm is in line with my torso. My back leg is also in line with my torso and my arm. So it's all in one line. And I would repeat that on both sides. Initially, you want to start with just lifting and placing it back down. And obviously, as you want to make it harder, you can hold for a longer period. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if you're able to do that exercise, let's do it together. You can pick variation number 1 or 2 if that's comfortable for you. And we're gonna do 10 repetitions together right now, okay? So from this position, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost there, 8, 9, and 10. And that is tough work. So that is the bird dog. And I think it is a fantastic exercise because it involves so many different elements. Like I had mentioned, we're involving mobility of our arms and legs. We're including our core, our glutes, our back, so many different muscles that it's a no-brainer to include this as part of any low back exercise program. Now I want to note that I did this exercise on a soft physio bed. There's a little bit of foam padding here, so it's easier on my knees, but you can totally do this exercise on your bed, or you can do it on the floor with a nice padded yoga mat or something. Or if it's still difficult for you, sometimes I like to suggest using a pillow under your knees to sort of protect your kneecaps. So there you have it. That is the bird dog. I would recommend most of my patients to do this exercise 10 times, maybe up to 15 times, or until you start to feel your muscles working a little bit hard and you get fatigued or tired. I would suggest you do this at least 3 to 4 times a week, allowing rest days in between to allow your muscles to relax and rebuild themselves as well. Now, if you like this exercise and are looking for other exercises and stretches to help with your back pain, or if you want to become a stronger and fitter version of yourself, then feel free to check out the rest of my channel. I have lots of videos on there. You can also click on this link to view other stretches that I routinely recommend to a lot of my patients with back pain. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, I wish you the best of health.